In this video, we will learn how to lock cells or how to protect your worksheet. Here in this example, you can see here, suppose this one, any number of cells. If I press delete, then this warning message will come. The cell or chart that you are trying to change is protected and therefore read only. So you cannot edit or modify this cell content. This one also, if I press delete, this warning is coming. So I cannot change, I cannot edit. And also these cells, you can see these options, these options are also disabled. Here you cannot change. But for this cells which are not highlighted here if I press delete, then it's deleted. So here I can change, or if I type something here, suppose 6, so I can type here. But here in this cell, if I press delete, I cannot delete. Here also cannot delete because these cells are protected. So how to do that? In a single worksheet, some cells are protected and some are not, or some of the cells may be, or the entire worksheet may be password protected also. So how to do that, we will learn in this video. Let's go to one new fresh worksheet. So the first step is to select the entire worksheet, then press right click, go to format cells option, format cells, click here, then go to the protection tab here, and here this is log. You need to check this box for the entire worksheet to be protected or to be locked. So it is locked, the entire worksheet is now locked. Press OK. So now it's locked. Okay, so before that I need to put some data here. 2 4, suppose this is total, so total equals to 6. Okay, so now let's see, I want to protect these cells. Okay, so I need to select the cells which I want to protect. So suppose these cells I want to protect, so select and then right click, and again go to format cells, go to protection, and here uncheck this box, press OK. So this is how you can do, you can lock the cells. And now suppose these cells you want to protect, you want to password protect. So go to review, and here protect workbook, or here is the protect workbook. So here restricted access or unrestricted access. Okay, so protect sheet, here you can put the password also, protect worksheet and contents of locked cells. So you can put here password, and here these are the options. Allow all users of this worksheet to select locked cells or select unlocked cells. So these are checked. you can choose any one or multiple options. And if you want to give any password, you can type your password here and then press OK. So if you don't put any password, then it will not ask for the password. So like this, you can protect your entire worksheet or the locked cells.